Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your relationship and love life. And so I'll be pulling out the cards of your energies, your person's energies, their current feelings for you, your current feelings from them, the best course of action, what both of you plan to take, and the most likely outcome. Okay, so let's see how it proceeds. So what are your energies, Scorpios? What are the energies of Scorpios? So your energies are the Four of Swords. That's your energy. Okay. Your current feelings for your person. Your feelings for your person. Is the Empress. The best course of action according to you in this situation. The best course of action. The best course of action according to you in this situation. The best course of action, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So let's see what are your person's general energies. What are the the person you are dealing with, general energies of the person you are dealing with. We have the Tower. Okay, it came out with the Moon. Okay, these are their general energies. Let's see. What are their current feelings for you? What are your person's current feelings for you, Scorpios? The Queen of Cups. Okay. What do they plan to do? What is their best course of action in this situation? What are they planning to do? What is the best according to them? Is the Emperor. Okay. Let's see the most likely outcome of this situation. The Devil. Okay. So, as far as these cards are concerned, on your side, on your general energies, overall energy is the Four of Swords. So definitely you are not making a move. This is a pause which you've given. It's a resting time. You are taking time to yourself. You've surrendered the situation in the hands of the time, in the hands of God, in the hands of universe. Just praying, focusing on yourself, praying and healing that things are okay, things are fine. Okay, so this is sort of surrendering to the divine, surrendering to the time, or even that is a pause or the rest time. So this is maybe you're just giving time to yourself and not doing it. So you're not uh, making a move or taking any action here. Okay, as far as your current feelings for them are concerned with the Empress, you really find them very, very attractive. You find you want a new beginning with them. You want to be with them. You find them very sensual, attractive, and you feel that this person is very abundant. This person is your dream come true. You really view them as your Empress. Okay, as far as your best course of action is concerned, we have the Ace of Pentacles. You really want to offer a new beginning, which is a promising new beginning, which is stable. You really want to start new, I feel, because Empress also is something, it's a new beginning, and the Ace of Pentacles also is a new beginning. But since with the Four of Swords, you have surrendered over here, you're giving it time here, so definitely something has happened over here because of which you have given it time and you've just left it and it is on a hold or on pause. And here you are wanting a new beginning. That is your feeling also, and that is your current action also, which you plan to do or you want to do, or which is right for you. Okay, so definitely something has happened over here because of which things are on hold and you want a new beginning. Okay, we'll see what these things are actually. On your person's side, we have the Tower. So this person is generally, as the general energy, this person is somewhat in a state of shock. Something has happened here energetically in the life of this person, which has sort of shaking them, or something unexpected has happened in the life of this person. This person is, uh, maybe they were not expecting, if it is in amongst both of you, then maybe something has happened amongst both of you which they were not expecting. Okay, we'll have to see what this Tower is when we clarify. what has happened, why is this tower here as their overall energy. But definitely there is something unexpected, maybe the shake up of a belief, maybe something new has come in their mind, maybe they have got enlightened, okay, what's happening, sort of. Okay, just now I got, this is the tower here, and here also you are healing it and putting it on hold. So it can be that something has happened between both of you, because of which you are also not doing anything right now. Maybe you've overcome this tower moment and this person is still in that mood, in that energy. Okay, and here, as far as the current feelings for you are concerned with the Queen of Cups, this person does have love for you. Even if they are not showing up, showing these feelings to you, this person does have a lot of love for you. They really don't know what to do about it. They really don't know should they show those feelings to you or not. But they do have love. As far as the most likely outcome, most likely course of action, or the best course of action according to them, is the Emperor. So I think they are just trying to control themselves, because they are in this tower energy, they are feeling emotional, but then they want the control back of their own life. This person, I think, is wanting to take control of the situation. It's like, it's not control in the sense controlling the relationship, it's like they want to get back on track. Whatever they have suffered here in the tower moment, first of all they have to heal themselves and gather themselves up again. It's something like that. Okay, they have to take care of themselves first, and that is what they want to gather themselves up back again. It's something like that. And the most likely outcome is the Devil, so that's definitely not something positive. Some sort of something negative or toxic or something negative is definitely going on in this relationship, which is not good. There can be an obsession, addiction, temptation, but definitely maybe some sort of bondage is there, something chaining you down, something. Definitely this is not a very healthy relationship over here. So definitely something negative is going on over here as the most likely outcome. So it's doesn't seem to be a very positive thing. And that is the same thing which is the Four of Swords and the Tower. To me, something negative was there in the relationship in the first place. That is why this has shown up. Okay, and so this is the most likely outcome if not corrected. I should put it that way. It's coming up again as the most likely outcome. So if not corrected, again it will show up like this, and again perhaps things will proceed in the same direction if not corrected. If these tower moments and the Four of Swords energy, if things are not taken care of, again this will be the outcome. I think I should put it that way. So as far as now, I would like to extend this reading and take the clarifiers. I'll do the extended to this, and the link of extended will be on Patreon, and the link of that will be given in the description box below. So if you want to, if this reading resonates with you and you really want to have a look at it, listen to it, then please click the link in the description box and join me on Patreon. And if you just want to be in your journey till here on YouTube, then thanks for being with me. Hope it helps. Bye.